Hi everyone, I'm Varsha Jalago from Mauritius. Zeeva Fertility is the best IVF healthcare, and I'm very lucky to come here to have a very good treatment with Dr.shweta, Seema, and Dr. Mita. And I would like to thank everyone, all the staff, and all the members who work here. They are very friendly and kindly to me. A very big thanks to everyone. Thank you.
I'm Vicky Jalao. I'm from Mauritius. I could like to say that I'm very lucky to have Zeeva Fertility Center here. Zeeva Fertility Care in my experience, is the best professionally and friendly. All the staff here are very friendly, and I would like to thank everyone. I could like to share my experience that everyone come here. You will every program that you have, he has a solution here. I could like thanks again to Ziva.